Do you know the best classroom for learning English? For me, it's this rooftop. Hello everyone, good afternoon. Right now, I am standing on the rooftop. I came here with one simple goal to practice my English speaking. This is a peaceful place. The fresh air and open sky help me relax and speak with confidence. I don't need a classroom or a microphone. I just need the courage to practice every day. Many people wait for the perfect time to start learning English, but the perfect time is now. Even if you make mistakes, keep speaking. Every sentence you speak brings you one step closer to fluency. Today, I am investing a new a few minutes in myself because I know that small daily practice leads to big improvement. If you also want to improve your English, don't wait for a quit place. Start speaking and believe in yourself. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep speaking, and have a wonderful afternoon.